Students of New Zealand, from Auckland to Christchurch and beyond, creating change and working for good. We've got kiwi, the birds not the fruit. Students of New Zealand, doing compassion projects. Students of New Zealand, being charity entrepreneurs. 100% pure New Zealand, in the land of Lord of the Rings. Students of New Zealand, forever strong. Students of New Zealand, doing compassion projects.